Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and we're in front of a 79 series here, way to tow mobile weigh station it is. What I like, we're going to meet Mark in a minute. I like his setup here, that's his business. Kayak on the top and NRL shirt. Mark, how are you?
Yeah, very good, Bruce. How are you?
And we've just upgraded your caravan with a 48 volt overlay. Why have you done that, Mark?
Correct. Well, we bought a used, it's a 10-year-old van with an earlier model 12 volt system in it, non-lithium, AGM, and we wanted to upgrade to lithium, and I'd been researching it quite a bit, and I just felt if I wanted to do it properly, go to 48 volt. You guys seem to have the technology and the nous, and I just thought, let's just do it once, do it properly, and just get the biggest system we can use, because my wife really enjoys having an aircon on in summer for sleeping.
We've been running today with the aircon on, and
Yep.
What do you think so far?
Oh, awesome, mate. I'm just super impressed. I just can't believe there isn't an extension lead plugged into it, to be honest. Yeah, that's
Very
great.
good. Now, the other thing that Mark did, pretty handy, way to tow, but look how he's installed this Killa-Wasp in the 79. It's nearly directly lined up with the battery, and he's made a special bracket in here. I know it's a little bit of detail, but the Killa-Wasp is in here. So this is an 80 amp DC to DC charger. So it's unidirectional, and it goes straight to the back. I think the biggest in the market otherwise might be about 50 or 60 amp, but this is 80 amp, super smart, will handle smart alternators, handle this very well. And that's set up on his 79 system and 79 series, and there it is, way to tow. What a rig, and that's the van behind. Mark's left, driving off down the road, and what we advise is run the aircon on the blacktop. It has the benefit that it chills the whole van down, so when he pulls up, the batteries aren't working as hard. And what you'll see in this photo is the aircon's in the top right there at 990 watts. The solar's putting in 559. The Killa-Wasp is putting in about 1,000 watts. You'll see a net of 872 there because he's running the fridges, the fans and everything else on, and the battery's being charged at 340 watts. And now we're about an hour later and the aircon's turned off. What you'll notice here is that the Killa-Wasp is doing 1066 watts. That's in the bottom left-hand corner there, DC system. The solar is doing 708 watts, and you'll see in the battery box it's charging at 1.7 kilowatts. And Mark's here travelling along the road at 84 kilometres an hour within the speed limit. Well done, Mark. We can see all this online once the customer leaves. I've got to say, how good's that?